Hello again. I'm Dr. Andrea Purcell, and you're watching Straight from the Doctor's Desk. And today we are talking about berries. Should you eat berries? What are the health benefits of berries? Is there such a thing as eating too many berries? Well, I'm a naturopathic medical doctor, and I help women struggling with health and hormonal issues reclaim their health and their life using natural medicine. So nutrition really is the cornerstone of our health. We cannot have good health without having good nutrition. And I find that once we learn what a specific fruit or vegetable actually does deep inside our bodies, we develop a new relationship with that fruit. So today we are talking about berries, including cherries. All berries are extremely nutritious. Their main power comes from antioxidants. And we need antioxidants to prevent oxidation from happening in our bodies. And so in short terms, oxidation happens when rust forms. We can prevent feeling old and rusty by eating more of the things that fight oxidation. So we call these antioxidants. You will know if something is high in antioxidants because it has a deep dark color. So the reds, the blues, the purples, and therefore, berries have lots and lots of antioxidants. They're also high in trace minerals, and they protect against the negative effects of stress. And stress is all around us. So what else about berries? Well, they're brain food. Berries can protect the brain from toxins and help reduce damage to brain cells caused by toxic materials. The specific antioxidants in berries are called flavonoids. And it's actually the flavonoids that create that dark pigments of red and blue. They help to expand blood flow through the brain, enhancing circulation and protecting against all different types of brain conditions that are both neurological and circulatory. The antioxidants enhance blood flow to the brain, and they also enhance blood flow to the heart. So they will keep you out of the cardiologist's office too. So what do they do in the heart? Well, these magical compounds, they help to dissolve hardened fat deposits within the cardiovascular system. And they actually help the heart itself by protecting the heart valves and making sure nothing builds up plaque on those valves. Berries also enhance fertility. They help to recharge the reproductive system in situations of mystery infertility. They also help digestive function, and they're an important part of building the prebiotic bacteria for healthy digestive movements. Cherries in particular are great for the liver. They also help balance appetite. But it's long been known that fresh cherry juice helps with gout, a situation caused by high uric acid. So the cherries are in the liver, and they help the liver cleanse the blood better. And blood coming from the liver should be clean. When the liver is stressed, it can't clean the blood well, and it sends dirty blood back up to the heart. Cherries also help with the stress response, and they regulate amino acids in the brain responsible for feelings of well-being. If you're dealing with cravings, try eating a small bowl of cherries after each meal, because they do help with cravings as well. Berries fortify every aspect of our being, and they help us become more resilient to change and to stressors. Wild blueberries are very, very potent. They have a much deeper blue pigment that gets into our bodies and helps to repair and cleanse our cells. When compared to regular cultivated berries, you'll see that the blueberries that are cultivated are white in the inside and the frozen blueberries are purple. So the wild blueberries outweigh those regular cultivated blueberries really by about 1,000 to 1. They pack a much stronger, more concentrated amount of healing energy and nutrition, and you can find them in the freezer section. So with stress and processed foods all around us, we all can use a little bit more resilience and a little more inspiration. So when we bring berries into our life, we let them assist us in this healing. So next time, you're invited somewhere, bring a bowl of mixed berries. When you get there, you can drizzle a little raw honey on top so that you can share the healing property with others. So I hope you're feeling more motivated to eat berries, because I want you to live your best and your brightest life. And using and consuming more fruits and vegetables is the way to keep your blood clean, your energy up, and your liver healthy. So thanks so much for joining me today. You can always visit me on the web at www.drandreapurcell.com. Ciao for now.